Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you some easy ways to fix the VAN 9003 error in Valorant. You don't need to download any third-party fixers. First, let's reinstall Riot Vanguard. Press Windows plus R. Type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. Find Riot Vanguard in the list. Right-click it and select Uninstall. Once Vanguard is removed, open Valorant again to reinstall Vanguard. After Vanguard finishes installing, restart your PC. Then launch Valorant and check if the error is fixed. If you're still getting VAN 9003, the next step is to update your graphics driver. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds a newer driver, let it install. Then restart your PC. If you're still getting the error, check the exact message shown with VAN 9003. Different VAN errors can have different causes. You can also check whether Secure Boot is enabled or if your PC supports TPM 2.0. If you're not sure, let us know in the comments and we'll guide you. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more Valorant fixes. Thanks for watching.